Welcome back to 5 Minute Smart. Today, we are analyzing Apple's massive leap into the hot new arena of artificial intelligence agents. At WWDC 2026, Apple officially unveiled its rebuilt assistant, Siri AI, and it is a complete game changer.
That is right, Liam. Siri has been completely re-architected from the ground up. By moving past simple voice triggers, Apple is positioning Siri AI as a system-wide agent capable of active reasoning and complex app orchestration.
The most impressive feature is screen awareness. Siri can now understand the context of what you are looking at on your screen and use that information to execute tasks.
Exactly, Liam. For instance, if you receive a message about a project meeting, Siri AI can read the screen, cross-reference your calendar, draft a summary email, and attach relevant documents from your Notes app, all in one go.
That is a true multi-step agentic workflow. But to achieve this, Apple has formed a historic partnership with Google, integrating Gemini models into the architecture.
Indeed, Liam. While Apple's local foundation models handle speed and on-device tasks, Siri routes highly complex reasoning queries to Google's Gemini models in the cloud, utilizing private cloud compute to maintain user privacy.
It is a clever hybrid approach. Furthermore, Apple has introduced a standalone Siri AI app that synchronizes your entire task history across iPhone, iPad, and Mac.
This creates a persistent workspace, allowing users to start a research task on their phone and complete it on their Mac. However, users in the European Union are currently locked out due to regulatory clashes.
Yes, the DMA restrictions have delayed the EU rollout, which is a major blow to European consumers. But for investors, the focus is on Apple's silicon moat and how this agentic ecosystem will drive device upgrades.
Absolutely. The integration of advanced custom silicon with on-device intelligence creates a hardware-software barrier that competitors will find very difficult to duplicate.
It is a massive competitive advantage. Alice, it is time for our signature segment. What is the smart-sounding sentence for today?
The smart-sounding sentence for today is: Apple's integration of Google's Gemini intelligence alongside local foundation models for Siri AI at WWDC 2026 represents a hybrid agentic architecture, strategically positioning contextual screen awareness and multi-app orchestration as a robust privacy-centric differentiator.
A robust privacy-centric differentiator. That perfectly captures how Apple intends to capture the agentic AI market while maintaining its core privacy promise.
Yes, it is the ultimate validation of Apple's vertical integration strategy.
Well, to our audience, do you think Siri AI will make you upgrade your iPhone this year? Let us know in the comments. Please hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of these macro and tech trends. If you find our research valuable, consider supporting us through our Ko-Fi link in the description.
Stay smart, stay ahead.
I am Liam.
And I am Alice.
We will see you tomorrow.